What's up everybody and welcome to the Quiz Beast. Today we'll be guessing Honkai Star Rail characters by the sounds of their skills. And this quiz will be pretty long cause we have 2 rounds ahead of us and in each round one correct answer is 1 point. Let's get it started. Round 1. Sound number 1.
A gift from the stars. A gift from the stars.
Sound number 2.
Come on. That's a set. Time for the payout. Come on. That's a set. Time for the payout.
Sound number 3.
Time to make some mischief. Now you don't. Time to make some mischief. Now you don't.
Sound number 4. Sound number 5.
勝利は得られる。望みを叶えてやる。勝利は得られる。望みを叶えてやる。
Sound number 6.
タイミングが悪かった。タイミングが悪かった。
Sound number 7.
You won't get away. You won't get away.
Sound number 8.
You'll pay for this. It's now or never. Fight with me. This battle is unavoidable. You'll pay for this. It's now or never. Fight with me. This battle is unavoidable.
Sound number 9. Sound number 10.
Let's be friends, shall we? Evil must be gone. Let's be friends, shall we? Evil must be gone.
Yeah, well done, you did it! Round 2. You need to subscribe, really. Sound number 11.
Stay back, Clara. Hide. Stay back, Clara. Hide.
Sound number 12. Sound number 13.
Naughty children, don't listen. Here comes the medicine. Naughty children, don't listen. Here comes the medicine.
Sound number 14.
Gotta get those vitamins! Gotta get those vitamins!
Sound number 15.
I told ya I could fight. With me out here, how can we lose? I told ya I could fight. With me out here, how can we lose?
Sound number 16. Sound number 17.
ガツンとくるやつでいこう。ガツンとくるやつでいこう。
Sound number 18.
We're just having fun. Try this on for size. We're just having fun. Try this on for size.
Sound number 19. Sound number 20. So that's all, folks. The main thing right now is to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment how many points you got, give me a like on this video and watch my other videos. See ya!